Hi everybody, this is Linda, and we're getting ready to make a cucumber dip. And I've heard it was very good. Now in the bowl I've got 1 8-ounce block of cream cheese that I softened. I peeled 1 cucumber and I seeded it. I'm going to cut that up as soon as I find my knife. And I'm going to chop this fine in my mini chopper. And I'm only going to do half at a time. I've already chopped up 2 tablespoons of onion. Whoop, left half out. See if I can get my chopper in here. There it is. Yeah. So here's my onion and my cucumber all chopped up fine. I'm going to add it to my softened cream cheese. All right. Now, I'm going to add 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And 1/8 teaspoon of pepper. I'm just gonna, I like pepper. And a little bit of dill weed. I don't know what I did with it. Here it is. There's a little bit. I'm going to mash all this up together. And I need a teaspoon of mayonnaise in there too. Tablespoon of mayonnaise. The mayonnaise is the last ingredient. Goodness gracious, I got it everywhere. Now I may have to add a little more. But in the meantime, we're going to mix this all up. Now I have heard that even people who don't like cucumbers love this. You can spread it, use it as a spread on a sandwich, or you can use it as a dip on a cracker. Excuse that tapping, y'all. I think it needs a little more salt. As soon as I get all this mayonnaise off my hands, oh, and put a little more pepper in there too. Now y'all hold on a minute, I'm going to go get Sam and let him taste it. Y'all, I found him. He's in here to taste this. I guess it's a cucumber dip or a spread for a sandwich. And he's going to taste it. Come here, Sam.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Very good.
You like it?
Yeah. Be great in the summertime.
Now y'all, this needs to be chilled. And this hasn't been, but I'll put the recipe down below for you. I added more salt, more pepper, and more dill weed because I thought it needed it. All right, I hope you enjoy it. You all take care. And I love every one of you. Thank you so much for coming in and spending part of your day with me. Until I see you again, May God bless every one of you.